We all know that do-it-yourself projects can sometimes be a hassle. When it comes to kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, bookshelves, and other wood refinishing, you're going to want to hire a professional that can achieve your expectations. And well, that's where we come in. Here at Anderson Refinishing, we specialize in giving you not just showroom quality work, but a quick, efficient, and memorable experience. So let's dive right in and see how this is done. We start by removing your doors and drawer fronts from their units. They are then transported to our facility where they will undergo the same process as the in-house work we provide. Once a point of ventilation is established, your kitchen area is masked off to isolate it from the rest of your home. This is to ensure we keep all dust from sanding and paint products from circulating through the house. The contents of your cabinetry can be removed for quicker preparation, but your openings will be covered to protect the insides from dust and paint. Same applies to your countertops, appliances, walls, and floors. We proceed on to cleaning your boxes, taking care of any cosmetic work such as nail holes, seams, and sanding them to prepare them for the priming stage. Once primed, we then sand down all surfaces to ensure proper adhesion of the color you have chosen. We are using a spray application with a minimum of 3 coats of paint, followed by a top coat to increase durability and the lifetime of your finish. Once complete, the masking is removed from the kitchen. Surfaces are wiped down and cleaned, and normal accessibility to the kitchen is given to you for the remainder of the project. Once the doors are completed, we then return them to the home for install. We make any adjustments and add existing or new hardware along with brand new bumpers to cushion the closing of your doors and drawer fronts. We thoroughly examine all areas of the project to ensure that everything is completed to satisfaction. Now you get to brag on social media about your new kitchen to your friends and family. Email or call us today to schedule a free consultation. Give us the hassle, and we'll give you a fresh kitchen.